Good morning, students. Today we will going to read chapter number 2, that is nouns. Now children, you have already learned that what are nouns. Let's recall one more time. Noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, action, thing, quality or feeling. Now there are various types of and various kinds of nouns. Nouns are usually classified into 4 kinds. First kind of noun is a proper noun. What is a proper noun? A proper noun denotes a particular person, place or thing. Proper noun is a word or a noun which helps to denote a particular or a specific person, place or thing. For example, Italy, Mount Everest, Mohit and Taj Mahal. Another kind of noun is common noun. Common noun means the noun which is used to denote a person, place or thing in general or in common. Means common noun is used where we are not indicating a specific person, place or thing. We are talking in general way, in a common way. For example, city, mountain, boy and monument. Third kind of noun is collective noun. Collective noun is used to denote a collection of people, collection of animals or collection of things. For example, army, herd, bunch, etc. Next, abstract noun. Abstract noun denotes a quality or an action or a state of being. Abstract nouns examples are wisdom, honesty, wickedness, etc. Now, abstract noun are those nouns which we cannot touch, taste, smell or hear. Abstract noun is just a quality. Next, fifth kind of noun is a material noun. Now, material noun is the noun or material noun refers to the things or the material from which anything is made. A material noun denotes the matter or a substance of which things are made. For example, jute, copper, paper, gold, iron, cotton, plastic, etc. These are material noun. Material noun means the noun from which anything or any substance is made. Now, our next topic is gender. What is gender? So, gender is used to classify male or female. Now, in nouns also, nouns may be in the masculine, feminine, neuter or common gender. Now, what is masculine gender? A noun is said to be a masculine gender if it refers to a male. Means masculine gender means when we talk about male or man or boy, then it is known as masculine gender. For example, man, tiger, uncle, etc. Second is feminine gender. What is feminine gender? A noun is said to be in the feminine gender if it refers to a female or a girl or a woman. When we talk about a female or a girl or a woman, that is known as feminine gender. For example, woman, tigress, aunt, etc. Next, what is neuter gender? A noun is said to be in the neuter gender if it refers to the things that are neither male nor female. Okay, when we talk about the gender which is neither male or a female, then that noun is known as neuter gender. For example, stone, grass, sand, etc. Next is a noun is said to be in the common gender if what it refers to can be a male or a female. When we talk about a male or a female in a common way, then it is known as common gender. For example, student, orphan, baby, these are the examples of common gender. Student can be a male student or a female. Baby can be a baby boy or a baby girl. So the noun which is used as a common gender in which we talk about a common gender. Next is number. A noun may be either singular or plural in number. Now, when we talk about a single person, one animal or one thing, then the noun used is in singular form. For example, boy, tiger, box. And when we talk about two or more people, animals or things, in that the noun is in the plural form. For example, boys, tigers, boxes.